define gold standards? How do we standardize? What is our process? The value generation we get out of it?
That's some of the work that I do when I'm out traveling around and going into these.
And we need to grow for our family. And I consider everybody in this room, all the employees, part of our family, and it's going to provide opportunities for everybody in this room.
It was a great event so far, learning about the next evolution of BirchStreet.